Hey Google, let's party.
Let's get this party started.
ये हमारी कार है और ये हमें और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है.
Play Google mini game.
Congratulations! You won! You can now redeem your voucher on Flipkart to get a charcoal Google Home Mini Smart Speaker.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unboxing Google Home Mini. I got it only for $499. There is a 3 coupon code giveaways. If you want to get the coupon code, subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon and comment this video. So you can see this is how the box looks like. Tear the cover wrapping. This is the cheapest Google product that you can get. If you want to get the coupon code by playing game, complete all tasks except one task before 12 and do last one at 11 hour 59 minutes and 45 seconds exactly. And also you should ask OK Google play Google Home mini game at exactly at 11 hour 59 minutes 57 seconds, not after 12. Use this trick. This is how Google Home Mini black charcoal looks. So apart that, in the box, oh, it is smiley. You can get user manual guide. Below that there's a micro USB connector for Google Home Mini. On the adapter there's a Google logo. The connector is micro USB. Let me check the weight of the device. As usual, let me guess first. It may weigh about 130 grams. Well, it is 173 gram. 172 actually. Plug the adapter and turn on the switch. In the meantime, install Google Home application through Play Store or Apple Store. Let's see what will Google Mini can do. Hey Google, sing me a song.
When in public, wear a mask, just a teeny weeny task. It helps keep us safe and sound, health and care all around. On your mouth and on your nose, good to cover both of those. If you want to hear that again, ask me to sing the mask song.
Hey Google, play Faded.
Faded by Alan Walker, sure, playing on YouTube Music.
There's a touch sensitive volume rockers on the left and right side of the device. You can see that's not a physical button. You can touch and hold by pause or play the music or for volume increase or decrease purpose. Hey Google, volume increased by 20%. Hey Google, volume increased by 75%. Hey Google, set alarm 5 minutes from now.
1:09 p.m. Set.
5 minutes later.
Hey Google, turn on the light. Hey Google, turn off the light. Let me close the curtain that you can know. Hey Google, turn on the light. Hey Google, turn off the light. Hey Google, turn on the light. Hey Google, turn off the light. Okay Google, are you married?
I'm happy to say I feel whole all on my own. Plus, I never have to share dessert.
Okay Google, will you marry me?
This is one of those things we both have to agree on. I'd prefer to keep our relationship friendly. Romance makes me incredibly awkward.
Okay Google, self-destruct.
Self-destructing in 3, 2, 1. Actually, I think I'll stick around.
So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.